Just take a breath and take it deep to show the world that you can see a life that's full of wonder, but it will never be enough.
Welcome to another episode of Approved to Move. My name is Kendall Gervais, and I'm a realtor with Magnolia Homestead Realty. Today we're in Ocala, Florida, in one of the fast-growing neighborhoods called Marion Oaks. I'm standing in front of a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, and it's new construction. This house is set to be finished within the next month. So if you're looking for a brand new house or need help with getting financing, please give me a call. My number is 352-615-3989, and we'll get you connected with one of our lenders. Let's take a look around and see if you like it. As soon as you walk into the house, you step right into the living room, and it has this great open concept, beautiful granite countertops, and it has a lot of high-end finishes that you'll notice. This house is right under 2,000 square foot. It is a split floor plan, and it's listed at $274,900.
It's like falling down these lies again. This feeling that I have deep down inside.